Hello friends, hope you're doing well. This is a very good news again for all of our international students. This is the chance you can get Australian certificate. Because Harvard University of Australia offering online short courses, anyone can take admission in this course. No age limit, no IELTS requirement, nothing. There are a number of courses available in the list. You can apply, you can submit your application before June 18, 2020, and online classes will be start on June 22, 2020. So this course is totally free, but if you want to get certificate, you will have to pay the amount, and every certificate has different price. I have mentioned all the courses name in the description box below, and also mention the link of the official website of Harvard University. So here you can see the list of courses on my screen as well.